get lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good afternoon, everyone! It's our 4th day here in Sydney. And for today, pupunta tayo sa Taronga Zoo and hopefully sa Luna Park din pag umabot tayo. Then bahala na kung anong gagawin natin sa gabi. So tara, sama kayo, gala tayo. Okay, naglalakad na tayo papuntang bus stop. Dati, ang pinakamagandang way papunta sa Taronga Zoo is by ferry. Tapos, meron silang Sky Safari nun, parang cable car going to the zoo. Kaso, sarado yun ngayon. So for now, magbabas na lang tayo. Okay, here's the bus. Alright, go Serene. Okay, go. Go. Okay, nandito na tayo sa zoo. Pasok na tayo. Are you excited, Serene? Yeah. Okay, so dito yung bilihan ng ticket. Pero dahil may ticket na tayo, you can just go straight. Yeah. Mas epic pa din yung entrance dati. Yung yung may tawag dito? Parang cable car ride. Okay. Dito na tayo.
I remember this.
You do? Yeah. Hello. Okay, thank you. Okay, we're here.
Mami, diba
Saan tayo mag-start dito? Yeah.
Mami, diba may mga doon, playground dito?
Playground?
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah, I remember that.
May playground dito ako.
Alright, dito tayo mag-start. Australia! Is it right?
Dinosaurs exist.
Or diretso dyan?
Rainforest, aviary diretso.
Dito? Diretso tayo dito. Ito gusto ko rito sa Taronga Zoo. Napaka-peaceful. Tapos walang unpleasant smell. Dito ata. Left tayo dito. Ngura Dia, Australia. Ayan na yung kangaroos. Nagpapahinga sila. Ayun, may mga maliliit na nag-eat. Ang cute. Imo ata yan sa kabila. Ayan ang laki. Okay, dito naman yung koala. Sana makita natin siya. Ha? So right? Okay. Ayun siya, kumakain. There. Ayun Cirilo. Ayun looking at you. He's enjoying his snack.
Is that a koala?
Yeah, that's a koala. Oh, see? It jumped. See? Oh my god, it's moving. It's moving. Tara. Hello.
looking at us.
Yeah. Ayan pa, nandun siya. Mga tulog sila. And this one. Ayun po, sa likod niya meron pang isa dun. Okay. Ito na yung dingo. Kaso nandun sila sa taas. I don't know if kita. Pero yan. Wild dogs. Hi. You saw it?
Baby, that's quick.
That's Quake, Mama's dog.
Oh, he's there.
Yeah, he's over there. I know.
I see him.
Hi, quick.
Hello.
Oh yeah, there are footsteps.
I need to play.
Let's go. It's dark inside.
Oh, it's dark. This the ones that I like.
Okay.
Cracked.
Yeah.
What are those?
Medyo gross sa loob. Ayoko nung amoy, tsaka puro daga. I mean, yung dinidisplay nila close to mouse. Alright. Okay, so, door can be open when the doors, push pala. Push. Okay, so that should be closed first. And then this one. These are gonna be the birds. Ito na yung mga birds. Where? Ah, there. Look, oh.
I don't know.
Up there. Hi.
That is a left, I know.
He's looking at us like he's judging us.
Well, there's no one on the
There, oh.
I need the right. Bow. So cute.
There's the birds.
Oh, there's one over there.
Where?
Over there.
Okay. Oh, yeah. He's blending with the surroundings.
Yeah, he is.
He's also green.
Yeah, he's trying to blend.
Oh. His face is grumpy.
I wanna see a chameleon. I wanna see a chameleon.
Okay, let's see later. Ah, maliit lang siya. Ayun pa. Alright.
Ang dami.
That's a cute bird.
Ah, sa taas sila. Ay, oo nga, no? Ayun pala sila. Nandun sila lahat sa taas. I don't know if you guys can see it.
I see it.
Yeah. Look, there's a sexy gorilla. Ooh, I love the wind. Alam nyo, isa tong Taronga Zoo sa magandang spot to view yung harbor. Ayan o. Tanaw niya ba? Malayo siya pero there, you can see it there. Okay, so ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Maganda yung view dito from Taronga Zoo. Ayan o. I don't know if you guys can see it pero kitang-kita yung Sydney Opera House and the Harbor Bridge. So zoom in natin siya. Wait, there. See, there's the Sydney Tower and Opera House and the Harbor Bridge. Ang ganda. Meron pa isang spot na maganda rito where you can sit down and look at that. Alright, let's go to the giraffe. Here's the giraffe. They're feeding right now. So, ayan siya.
Oh, I've seen it. Let me take more photos. Sorry.
Okay.
It's a chimpanzee. I hope he's here. Where is he? He's hiding. Ang laki nung niya, no? Let's see. Alright, let's see the lion.
This we're sitting on.
Ayun yung lion.
It's just for sitting on.
Apat sila. There. Yeah. Come on, sir. Let's try the other side.
Oh my god!
Look at the go.
Nice we get to see them all in action.
I reckon. Look at the go.
Oh.
She's crying.
She's all monkey. Walk like one. Oh my gosh.
Like, don't
Ah!
Oh, wow.
Hindi ka pwede magtago. Ano ka pang...
If that was the king horn, that horn would be the sun.
Nakakatuwa yung attention to detail, oh. It's like a human and lion pose. Ayan, oh, nagwala na siya panda rito. This is the perfect spot. Ayan sila. Asa puno yung isa. Kaya nga eh. Stand next to the zebra.
Oh.
It's the black and white of it. Oh, did you hear him? Nag-roar yung tiger. Ayun yung zebra. It's eating. Oh, yeah, it's a bird. Where's the meerkat? Oh my God, can you guys hear the lion?
Yeah.
There, ayun oh. You wanna go back? Oh my God, grabe, naririnig nyo ba yun? Ayan. Oh my God. Tumakbo na yung mag-ama ko. Tinignan nila ba't nag-iingay yung lion. Ayan. Ano nangyari? Bigla nawala. Yeah. Siya ata yung ano yung alpha na. Yeah. Ayan na yung zebra. He's looking at you, Surreal. He said, "Is that my child? Is that my child?" Because you're wearing it. There's the little guy. There he is.
Yeah, I saw him.
What you looking for?
He's so cute.
Hi. He's smelling something. I said, "Oh, it smells like Surreal." He's looking at you. Yeah, it is Surreal. She's here now. Ito, lumapit. Natutulog yung fox.
Just a gorilla.
Ayun yung gorilla. Kumakain siya.
I'm showing it right now, cause
Hi!
he's eating.
Dalawa pala sila. Ito yung isa. Ayun yung isa. Ang tinitinan ko yung isa lang. Ang laki ng hands niya, oh. Can you see the hands?
Yeah.
Ayun, oh.
He's holding something and eating at the same time.
Yeah, he's
I don't
eating.
even know what it is.
Oh, I think this is a girl.
I think he's eating grass.
Ayun yung isa.
The other one is eating. Wow.
Gorilla din. Baby one?
Baby.
It's a baby gorilla.
I'm calling her a lit.
Oh! Hello, handsome. Hi, handsome. Oh my God, it's up close.
That's
Look at the face. Hi.
It's a gorilla.
Showing you the butt.
I see the butt.
It looks like a black lion.
Yeah. Bro, he's showing his butt.
Puntahan natin ang forgotten character. Sikat yan nung 90s eh, si Tasmanian Devil. Ngayon, wala na, no? Yeah. Of birds, yeah. Kasi din naman yung taas, oh. Yeah.
Why would you even play a game?
Yeah, I wanna see the Tasmanian Devil. Doon lang ata yun sa labas, kaso wala siya.
Wala siya.
Tara.
Ito nga man.
Oo. The kangaroo. Ay, lalapit siya, oh. He's getting closer. There he is. There's the others.
Kaja, did you see this? Look.
Be careful, you might drop your phone.
어쨌든 지원이 왜 써? halfway 써.
Ang ganda ng fur niya, oh. Tignan mo, oh. No? Parang sarap hawakan. This is where the Tasmanian Devil is. Okay.
Where's the devil?
Where's the devil?
No, the other one.
Oh, what's that? What happened to him? Is he okay? Oh my God, that's gross. Ganyan yung kinakain nila, baby. Ano sila eh? Ano ang tawag sa kanila, mahal? Hindi, yung ano, mga bulok. Ano yung tawag doon eh?
Scavenger.
Yan. Is that him? He's sleeping. Too bad he's sleeping.
Look.
Yeah. Ayan, kita yung face niya, but he's sleeping right now.
Ako na ako na.
Kulit lang.
Yeah, malit lang yan. Parang ganyan yung itsura niya.
Yes, babies.
Yeah, yeah. You wanna be one of the babies?
No.
Oh. Oh, she found a chair.
On the chair.
Yeah. Hey, come on, let's explore.
No.
Are you guys having fun?
Yes.
What? Ba't ang tagal sumagot? This is real. I thought you're excited.
I just want the playground. Just waiting for that part.
For the playground? You might be too big for that playground. Ah, yung may alpaca. Doon yun isa may playground. Okay, come on, let's go.
Bro, why is it so high?
Okay, farmyard. Grabe ng pandemic, ang daming tao dito, no? Ayan yun eh, yung playhouse. And here's the alpaca. Hi!
Kaja, look at the messenger. Look at the messenger, Kaja.
So there's brown, black, and white.
Kaja, are you looking at the messenger?
And we have the goat here. Hi, goats. It's a snake? Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's a snake.
There.
Kaja, there's a snake.
Kaja, that's a snake.
Kaja. Look at this. Look at this.
What's that? Oh, ito siya, oh. Ewan ko, mukhang malaking butiki.
Kaja, this is nothing.
Pag dito sila pag nakakulong yung goats.
You see that?
Parang
Locusts. Yung ano, isa yun sa pest sa Bible, di ba?
Ano
Yung,
yun?
oo, meron story doon yung pineste sila. Isa doon yung locusts eh. Bees! Look! It's the bees.
This bug egg?
Where's...
There's a bee.
Do we see the queen bee?
No.
Galing.
I don't see the queen bee. Can't you see?
Ano ah?
Giant goat.
Ang laki. I'm afraid of goats. Alam mo yung mga movie na ano? Oh, I remember this chicken.
I'm in the zoo.
Ipis na naka-steroids.
Tulog din eh.
Tulog. Ang laki ng wombat, oh.
You see that?
Yan.
Do
Ang
you see
laki.
him?
Yeah, and he's sleeping. It's the wombat. Ang ganda rito, oh. Ang ganda, nakaka-relax. Naririnig nyo ba yung hangin? Ang lakas.
Oh, okay. Is it loud?
Wow, ang ganda dito.
This is the last pickup.
Yeah. Ganda. Ayun na to, nakikita nila doon yung seal sa baba. Sayang wala tayong coin, no? Sarap sana tingnan ito. And look at that. Oh my God, Sydney is so beautiful. Oh my God, look at those. Surreal, they're as tall as you. It's as tall as you. Yeah, don't come too close. Ang laki, kasing laki mo sa reel.
One, two.
Bye. Bye. It's huge. Oh my God, it's the red panda.
Kadya, I still have another pot. I still have a pot.
Baby, ayun yung red panda, oh. Ayan na siya. Lalakad siya. Hi! Come on, come here. Come here. It's so cute. Ang galing. Baka andun yung food niya. Ang galing, oh. Ang cute kumain.
Saan, Daddy?
There.
Ayan, oh. He's eating.
I want to get again.
Tapos yung isa andun sa taas. Right there. This is Surit. Do you see it now?
Oh, what?
Okay, bye panda.
The red panda.
Okay, tapos na tayo dito sa Taronga Zoo. Punta naman tayo sa Luna Park. See ya there! Yes. Hi, good afternoon. Dito dati yung ano yun. Okay, so ito yung labas ng Luna Park. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Ang laki niyan. And Cyril is excited! Yeah. It's a bit cold now. You can do it, Cyril! Parang nung baby siya nalalaman, nagpunta tayo rito. Parang ganito din, ang daming sarado. I think it's closed. Yeah. It's like from a movie scene. An abandoned theme park. I think it's closed, real. Pero ang nakalagay hanggang 6 PM sila today eh. May event ata eh. Kaya so may event pala kaya sarado. Ang swerte naman ni Cyril. But yeah, at least you guys get to see what Luna Park looks like. Yeah. Ayan yung mga rides. May Ferris wheel. Tapos ito yung carousel. Tapos ito, bilihan ng snacks yan. And then, that's where you can sit down to have the snacks. Yeah. Alin? Ayan. Tango train. Asan? Ay, oo nga, no? Tapos, ano siya? Para siyang yung, ano, old school carnival. Stranger Things. Kakaibang ano rin to. Experience. Though na-experience na natin dati, no? Yung walang tao. There's Coney Island. Pero maganda, sarap maglakad-lakad. Although, sa akin okay lang to kasi hindi naman talaga ako nagra-rides. So, lakad-lakad lang ako dito. Yeah. Hair racer. Maganda rin yung dock doon, no? Sarap maglakad doon. Surilo, laro na kayo. Okay, tapos ito na yung dulo. Ayan na siya. Okay. So what do you say, Cyril? Let's go?
No.
What are you gonna do? It's closed.
There's a claw machine there and I want to wait.
Okay, let's do a claw machine. Is it working?
It's on the lobby.
Oh, okay, let's try. Alright, let's go. Okay, since sarado si Luna Park, pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung spot na magandang tambayan. Overlooking the Opera House and the Harbor Bridge. Pero yan, grabe, no? Ang ganda, no? Tapos dito may mga ferry na rin. Ayan. Going back to Circular Quay or to other stops. I really love Sydney. Ang ganda. Nakikita nyo ba yung kulay ng sky? It's like pinkish, orange, purple. Ganda. Ayan, ang lakas ng alon. Lakad pa tayo rito. There she is, the beautiful Opera House. So ayan, doon, kung natatanaw nyo, may mga upuan doon. Itong bata pa si Cyril, alam ko we spent a good amount of time na nakaupo lang kami dyan. Tapos tinitingnan lang namin si Opera House. Ganda naman kasi talaga, oh. Okay, so hindi na kami umaasa na makakuha kami ng magandang picture dito. Tira na! Tira mo yung hangin. Enjoy na lang natin na surreal. Okay, tapos na tayo dito. Babalik na tayo sa Circular Quay. Magpe-ferry na lang tayo. And this is our first time na mag-ferry on this trip. This is our third day na. Actually, no. Fourth day. And ngayon pa lang tayo magpe-ferry. Yeah. Here comes the ferry. Alright, go to the top. At the back. It's at the back. Ay, dyan pala. Okay. Ha? Sa likod para open. There. There. Yep. Oh, isang grupo pala sila. Hi! Are you excited? It's been a while. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Circular Quay. Hanap na lang tayo ng coffee and ng kakainan.
Cards like this.
I don't know, why do you?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. Wait. Okay, tap. Okay, go. Okay, nandito na tayo sa George Street. Magpa-coffee na lang muna tayo dito. So, ito yung in-order namin. Ayan, we ordered mocha and Nutella crepe. So, pag nandito kayo sa Australia, flat white talaga yung pinaka-signature drink nila or yung sikat na drink dito. Pero for now, ang kinikrave namin is mocha. So, coffee muna kami bago umuwi. Surreal, did you enjoy today? Yeah. Kahit sarado si Luna Park. Yeah. So anyway, magko-coffee muna kami. That's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.